My name is Jonathan Taylor. I'm the Managing Director of Andromeda District. We started back in 2010. And what we wanted to do was to create a space that was a evergreen utopia, a place where people can come and design their own natural spaces, make their own plant holders, customize their own natural spaces. Essentially, that's really what we wanted to create. We are manufacturers of plant holders, and we also produce the green living wall systems that you see here in the background. Times really came to just show us that sustainability has become a stronger force right now in construction and many different fields. So we just felt the need that we needed to open up the space, just focus on this, on natural creation of natural spaces. But what is Andromeda District? Andromeda District stands as a space where you can design your own green walls. You can also design and select your plant holders, create a statement space by selecting a beautiful plant holder. We can help you here do the potting. We also have a selection of different types of rocks, the selection of plants of your choice. We're very happy that we have relationships for already many years with a network of growers, and this is why we're able to provide the same plants that come for our green walls. We're just able to extend that over to all of our customers. We have a lot of experience firsthand with what plants work really well with what space. We have consultants that go to your homes and all your businesses, and we take a look at everything that you have, your main entrance, your lobbies, your elevators, your reception areas, and we're able to suggest cost-effective solutions that can help your customers or your homes be more natural and have more of a botanical diversity. We're here to help, and that is really what we are. We are a company that is service-oriented, that is dedicated to the design and also the creation of natural spaces and helping our customers do that as well. So come on over to our store and visit us. Thank you.